Hello, let's find Spanky and Brainrot with me. Oh, first, let's find stuff to hold the characters. Oh, I don't see any tray or box here. Oh, there it is. It's right here, I didn't see it. Sorry. So what characters do we find? Hey, Spanky characters, where are you? Oh, Pinky here. Come on, find the next character. Spanky, Spanky, where are you? Wow, here it is. Oh, wow, Simon, Simon. Come on, who's next? Oh, who? Is Spanky hiding under that tree?
Yes, yeah!
Wow, the purple Durple is so cute. Let's continue looking. Spanky, Spanky, where are you? Oh, the weather seems to be getting hotter. We have to find the characters as soon as possible. Oh, did you see that? Haha, did I see a character?
Wow!
Oh, it's Jevin. This is my favorite character. Och Imyanrini Banamini.
Bananini.
Oh, and this is Tralalero Tralala.
Trallallero trallallà, porco Dio e porco Allah.
Oh, it's Ratty, Ratty, Ratty. Come on, Spanky, Spanky, where are you? I will find you. I will definitely find you. Oh, that green star fruit looks beautiful. Oh, I think I will bring back some dish that can use it. Come on, let's find Spanky again. Oh, wow, Sky is here. I think we should find a more dense place, because Spanky often hides in places with lots of trees, especially during this hot and sunny time. Right now, it's 36 degrees Celsius outside, quite hot. Oh, here it is. Let's see which character it is. Oh, is Simon evil version smiley face? The Spanky characters are quite small. We have to look closely. Oh, this is the evil version of Oakax. Come on, Spanky. Where are you all? Come on. I'll find you all. You'll see. Oh, I see it. Oh no. Yes, here it is. Is Tuner. Lovely Tuner. I'll look at the tree again. Spanky often hides at the tree. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Who is this? Oh, Oren. Oh, I don't see any Brainrot character anymore. Oh, here it is. Who is this? Oh, Tung Sahur.
Tung Sahur. Tung.
Next, which character will it be? Oh, I think it's in this planter. Let's find it. Oh, H, here it is. Who is this? O is Silver. Come on, baby. Quietly find the last character. Who will it be? Today, I caught a lot of Spanky. Thank you, everyone! Remember to subscribe to the channel to find Spanky with me.